I'm over here at my buddy's house. We're gonna pull out this tree. Watch out for these water lines, but there's trees. You just shake it, it rocks. Yeah, that car was over here. Wouldn't start, so he just pushed it out of the way. He's getting the backhoe. He's gonna just tap it out. Hopefully it comes out real quick. It should. It's just not even in there. Like, just wiggles. So he's gonna bring the backhoe over here. I'm gonna direct him in and just hook a chain onto it if we can ever get the chain out of the backhoe. How do we want to rig this thing up? Let me see if I can set you guys down real quick. Okay, now we're trying to wrap this all around.
Fold this a bit. Fold it. There we go.
Okay, stop. We're trying to get this thing all
Go down.
hooked up.
Good.
We hooked on those 3 branches. Hooked onto those, they all just snapped off.
Stop.
Hold up. Okay, now
Okay.
attempt 2.
Are you going?
Here. Okay, we got some of the roots. We got the base. We're doing good here. Knox, how old are you? Got a 10-year-old operating a backhoe. Okay. Well, we got some of the roots. That's good.
Except he took a lot of
There.
instructions.
Yeah. Go ahead, fold it all up, Knox. The mud on you.
Looks like a mixture of air and mud and water.
Okay. Well, we want to get that trailer from that Sandy was using on the back of the side-by-side.
We can probably just load it up in the bucket.
Oh, yeah.
And take it down to the barn.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to load it all up into the bucket. Yep. Try and get this thing all loaded up. Good.
The roots are probably fine though. They'll probably die, right?
Yeah, they're not going to come back. They shouldn't.
The stump was like the main part.
Yeah. Okay, well,
It didn't even make that big of a hole. It's not even like that.
we're going to get this all loaded up and then go down to the river. Put it in the burn pile.
Look at
So,
this
yeah.
hole. That thing's carved.
Somebody living in there. So, get it all loaded up and we'll head out. Get it all loaded up, we're going to head down.